Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 10th, 2021. GameStop stock has crashed. Yeah, I'm going to talk about that today because you guys, look at my chart. You guys couldn't act like you wasn't surprised to see the price in GameStop go down. I was telling you all then back on November the 27th to be prepared for GameStop to go down. And now it has. Well, let me talk to you all again about GameStop and tell you what my newest price prediction is into the market for this stock. Welcome. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. Check this out. I'm not here to confuse you. I was once in your shoes. I was once following, the meme stocks, everyone else who's trying to pump the stock and trying to think that what majority of the news catalysts are, that is always positive and that you need to buy the dips, you need a dollar cost average, just need to simply buy, and buy. I soon noticed that the market doesn't operate that way. It doesn't. The market is literally here to take advantage of us. Well, we need to try to flip it. We need to try to take advantage of the market. And the only way that we can really do that in a simplistic fashion is by looking at price and the volume. That's it. We need to get ahead of everyone else. We need to beat them at their own game. And the way that we can do that is by following me, by subscribing to the channel, by liking the video, sharing the video. Try to get this video as much traction as possible because we were already expecting GameStop to go down. So we wasn't nervous, we wasn't scared, we wasn't fearful because we expected this to happen. This is the confidence that you can have by looking at price, bars, and volume. So make sure you keep it locked in here. Now, let me talk about this first before I tell you where I'm looking for the market in GameStop to go next. All right, look at this. Right here, November 27th. You can go back and listen and see the video. It is still in the GameStop playlist on this channel. I told you all then, be prepared for GameStop to go down. Now, the price broke the ascending line. You guys see this ascending line that we started in GameStop all the way back in the beginning of 2021? You can see it. It's right there. I'm not hiding anything from you all. Now, this is very big news, okay? You're not going to see nobody who's trying to pump GameStop. You're not going to find nobody who's pushing these meme stocks going to tell you this information because they want you to always think that the price is going to go up, right? They want to get the views up. And if they spew out positivity all the time, then they know they'll get the likes. Then they know that they'll get the views and everyone else will believe in what they're saying. But you're getting something totally different from the price chart. This is why I only push the price chart. I only push information from a price chart perspective. Now, we broke the trend. That's not good. It's not. And no one can convince me otherwise because it tells me that this massive upward trend that we started in GameStop to start 2021 is now broken. So we cannot expect us to continue to see higher prices. So cool. If that's off the table, if we're not looking for GameStop to obey and follow this overall trend, right, to keep track of us holding this ascending line, we should saw the market go up. That is the basis as to what we needed to see in order for us to see the price continue higher. We broke that. Instead of price going up, holding this ascending line, we broke it and we went down. It is what it is. You can't change it. I can't change it. We simply need to follow the overall consensus of the market. And the market consensus is, okay, cool. We're still weak, right? So given that that's the case, we need to be prepared for continued weakness. We cannot be looking for price to go up in GameStop then. So let me go ahead and get rid of this last price prediction. That's 18%, right? You guys can see it, 18%. If you were to get out on the close of yesterday, you can see it, 21.67%. All right. Now, let me show you all what we can expect then. Okay. Now, all is not lost. All right. Just because we're not expecting the price in GameStop to hold this ascending line doesn't mean that we're not going to go back up. So just relax for those who are trying to hold this play for the moass. Okay. I'm not saying that we will never ever get a moass. I'm just telling you that right now, consensus is that the market is weak and we're just going to follow what they're doing. So outside of the market not going up, we can either see two other things. Price will continue to go down, obviously, or two, price will start and continue to trade within the channel. So let me address the second thing, the trading channel. We can at least still see the market in GameStop trade in the channel. Okay. Now we already identified restriction. Okay. This is the top of the trading channel. Simple. $255, right? We saw the market price in GameStop hold support, find restriction at that level, 255. Got it. Where's the buyers? This is where the sellers are at. Where are the buyers? Buyers are here first, around 137, and definitely no lower than 115 or 116. Got it? That is where I'm expecting the buyers to try to prop up GameStop's price. So look at where we at now, $155. Okay, cool. We're in weakness though. So we need to be prepared for price to come a little bit lower, maybe to like 145, $140 at least, right? Be prepared for that. 2-day time frame. Let's go ahead and look at this. Look at all these 2-day price bars, right? The market is not here to deceive you. Everyone else that you listen to is deceiving you. Look at all these 2-day price bars. Red across the board. Starting since November 22nd, price has been closing lower than the previous close or where we opened. The market is telling us that the price is weak. Why would we follow some other YouTuber and their opinions? The answers is already here. This market is weak in GameStop. People are selling. Look at this on the 3-day. People are selling the market in GameStop. Now, weekly, we're still seeing weakness here into the market in GameStop. Now I can already tell from a weekly basis that this area could actually be support. Okay. So literally this is telling me that this would be the basis to go against the market going down, is for us to see price hold itself above 150. That's it. Under any premise, under any trading action, we see price break 150 to the downside. We already know we're coming down to 145 to $125. Okay. I'm just preparing yourselves for this. Okay. So let me go ahead and change this back over to the daily. And again, I'm looking for the weakness. Okay. I'm still looking for the weakness to kind of play out in the market in GameStop. Okay. Now, I've already told you this $150 area can go against my price prediction. I already know that. We can see the price in GameStop bounce and go up from here. Yes, I can see that. But considering what we've gone through, considering what we have on a longer term basis, we got to be prepared for the market to go lower. Okay. So I would be prepared to eat off the market in GameStop around 145. That's the first spot. That gives us 8%, right? 8% profitability from that round. My second area is going to be around 130, 132. Give us around 15%. The biggest area is 120. Okay. No lower than 120. We cannot see GameStop price break below 120. Because once that happens, or if it happens, then we know that that sideways trading that we can see in GameStop is no longer expected to continue if we break it to the downside. This is why I'm pinpointing we need to see the buyers step in at 120, because it will let us know that they are here controlling the market, that they're still willing to prop up GameStop's price there. We cannot break 120. All right. So this is it. This is my expectations going forward into the market at GameStop. I'm looking for the price to dip. I have given you all 3 areas to which I'm looking for the market to go. And the only thing that will go against this price prediction is 150. I see that. And I'm going to extend this up here toward like $200. If the price in GameStop is not able to break above 200, specifically 175, then we're going to continue to play some weakness into the market. We're going to expect price to continue to go down. All right. So this is it. Drop me a comment real quick and tell me what is your expectations into the market in GameStop. You guys can see from my price predictions, I'm not massively bearish. I'm not looking for the price to collapse, but we can still play the weakness. we can still expect price to dip and go lower. So why would people tell you to come in and buy the market dip in GameStop when they don't even know where the price is going to stop dipping? So drop me your price prediction real quick. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.